Hey guys, me Kingston here. Today, I'm gonna be reacting to Glider SML YTP Jeffy's doorbell camera. So, without further ado, let's get into the reaction, shall we? Here we go.
Oh, that must be my Amazon Prime package.
Oh my God, bro.
Hey guys, someone stole my package. I'm about to beat a bitch's ass.
Oh, you should get a doorbell camera.
Doorbell camera?
Honey, I think the tard from across the street.
Oh, well, looks like he got away with it. All right, time to watch camera.
That's what Hancock could do is here for. Just to insult Jeffy like that, okay?
On my phone. What TV show is this? Oh, that must be my...
What if Marvin Rose know what it is? Will they be scared if they look to Jeffy's phone? Will they be scared that the nuns are at their house, or will they be mad at Jeffy? I think they'll be the former. I definitely think it will be the former.
Amazon Prime. Oh my God! That booty like an onion.
Jeffy will never find us.
Oh, hey, Daddy. Lovely weather we're having today, isn't it?
This motherfucker.
Hey there. I was just I mean.
Where are we? Oh my God, what is that?
If you don't love wishing ping, you can fuck off.
Oh, Poopy's head just moved back and forth like that. I liked how they took a video of Judge Poopy moving his head back and forth into interrogator Poopy.
Don't even pretend like I didn't hear you say I love American more than Chinese.
No, we do love China. We're Chinese.
You're not Chinese because I'm Chinese.
Oh, this is just a big misunderstanding. I hate Americans. They're stupid, and I want to kill them all.
Oh, really? If you're Chinese, then fuck me. Hoi Xing Ping.
This is it, Marvin.
Pushing Ping.
Mr. May, I cleaned his house.
Oh, I'm so Asian, I can't see a thing.
These boys prove to be Chinese. Fuck me. All right, Marvin, here's the sex tape set.
Whoa!
What's up?
I definitely think I can do this.
Hey there, babe. Have you ever shot a movie before?
Nope, this is my first one.
Oh, Marvin, he probably gooned to that. He's a freak.
Alright then.
what hole's it going in today?
Mom? I've been down. You should try it and stay here.
I don't think I can do this.
Yo, what's up, young blood?
And action.
I'm not interested in this.
You're gonna get cummed on.
What?
Yeah, you're gonna get cummed on by Tyrone here. So, you down?
Has times really gotten this hard?
Great, googly moogly.
I have PTSD. Oh my God.
Yeah, going.
Every single day I got in the kitchen.
Alright, well, that was short. Well, that video kind of felt short. Usually videos will be like 4 minutes long. So, I'm gonna quickly get my thoughts on. I thought this video was very, very funny. And yeah, that's about it. I don't have anything to say about this video other than it's very funny. If I have to rate this, I'll rate this an 8.5 out. An 8.5. An 8.5 out of 10. Oh my gosh. Sorry for that outburst. So, anyways, that's it for today's video. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to check notifications when I post. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys later. Bye. Bye. Bye.